Egypt's new administrative and business city, on the outskirts of Cairo, has been revealed on a new website. It says the city will house up to 5 million residents and be built in the corridor between Cairo and the Red Sea. There will be 1.1 meters housing units and 1.75 meters permanent jobs. The city has also been officially unveiled at an Egyptian government conference at the Red Sea resort of Sharm El-Sheikh, to global investors and politicians. The Egyptian parliament and its government departments and ministries, as well as foreign embassies, will move to the new metropolis from out of Cairo, whose urban area is home to 18 million people. Focal point. The online plans, unveiled on Friday, say that the master plan is to create a global city with smart infrastructure for Egypt's future, which will provide a multitude of economic opportunities and offer a distinct quality of life. It will be built over 700 square kilometers, 270 square miles, about the size of Singapore. Planners say the proposed city's site is situated along the corridor between Cairo and the Red Sea, providing linkages to significant shipping routes. The city is bound to become a focal point of the eastern Cairo region. It will be built by Capital City Partners, a private real estate investment fund led by Emirati Mohammed Al-Aba. Dubai businessman Mr. Al-Aba built the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa. Natural extension. It is a natural extension for the city of Cairo, Mr. Al-Aba told the BBC, saying that the new development would sit on the edge of the existing city. It is a wonderful opportunity to be able to design something from scratch, and to design it keeping in mind the needs of the Egyptian people and the Egyptian government. He said that the builders would be deploying the most advanced design techniques on the project, and that the city would breed confidence and pride in Egyptians. The developers are promising other facilities as well as housing and jobs, including 40,000 hotel rooms, almost 2,000 schools and colleges, and more than 600 healthcare facilities. The move follows those of a number of other countries, including Brazil and Nigeria, that have shifted their capital cities. Economic growth. The U.S. Secretary of State, John Kerry, has praised recent economic reforms in Egypt, and urged businesses to invest in the country. Mr. Kerry was attending an international economic conference to discuss ways to revive the Egyptian economy. The new capital is as yet unnamed, but it sounds like an Egyptian version of Shangri-La. It's being built as a smart, sustainable city, on a grand scale. If and when it's completed, and that could take years, it will be about the size of Singapore, with an airport larger than Heathrow. The idea is to lure Egyptians away from the chaotic sprawl of Cairo, where congestion and pollution seem as constant as the waters of the Nile. The authorities say it will spark a renaissance in the economy. Perhaps, but many here recall other flagship projects, which stalled in the past. Egyptian bureaucracy can be as enduring as the pyramids. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi can't afford this to fail. Without tangible economic progress there could be more unrest ahead. Hundreds of businessmen and dignitaries from around the globe were at the meeting in Sharm El-Sheikh. Dozens of major infrastructure projects have been unveiled, attracting billions of dollars worth of outside investment. Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and the United Arab Emirates have each pledged $4 billion of investments in Egypt. It comes after years of political upheaval and severe, ongoing tensions. Foreign investment contracted after the 2011 uprising, from $13 billion in 2007 to 2008 to just $2.2 billion, and annual economic growth fell from 7% to about 2%. The International Monetary Fund now envisages 3.8% growth for the financial year to July 2000.